Okay, after finishing my first pocket, I decided that the other corners also needed trimming, so I'm going to show you how to do that. You can see here my second pocket, I trimmed the corner at the bottom where we sewed that diagonal stitch a little bit further, and it seems to turn better that way. The fabric is thick and you need to trim a little bit more of that seam allowance away. Also at the other end, trim these at an angle up to where the stitching line starts, but not through the stitching line. It'll make a big difference in the way your pocket looks, like that. Okay, so we're going to turn it right side out. We're having a thunderstorm. Okay, so this might be a short video. I'm going to turn my pocket right side out. I just want to show you how to press it. I guess I should have made my opening a little bit bigger. Okay, to find your corner points, you need an object. Scissors work, pencil tip works. You can also use a straight pin to gently push those corners out. Be careful so you don't go through the fabric, but you want to have a nice sharp corner there before you press. Same on this side. Okay, that one turned out real well. And this here. Okay, so now that my pocket is turned, I'm going to cover it with a press cloth. I'm just using a towel as a press cloth. You don't ever want to press wool directly. You always want to put a press cloth on top so it doesn't mark. I'm going to use the misting feature of my iron to just mist around the outside edges and then press it and add some steam. Remove my towel and use the tailor's clap on each side. Push down, makes the steam go into the fabric and gives you a nice crease. There you have your pocket. So the last step in the process is to top stitch the pocket edge, and we're going to do that next.